Hello, welcome to Destined Creativity. This video is another DIY for a wall decor that I made. It's very easy and simple to make. All the material is in the description box below. So if you're interested, just keep watching. Okay, let's begin. The first step is to get cardboard. Make sure it's strong enough because it's going to be the base. Or you can use wood as well, because that's where I attached the canvas panels. I used 8 canvas panels in total. Now that all the boards were in place, I started running the tape over the canvas panels. This was random for the different designs. I used this tape because it will easily come off without giving me really hard time. Yeah. So for the painting part, I mixed 2 colors, neon with cream, and then also other colors like pink and neon, then white, then black and silver. I'll put all the colors in the description box. Yeah, so I randomly just painted one square, one color, and just make sure the same colors are not adjacent to each other. This is how the final piece looks like. So I think I loved it, though I had to take off the tape now. Just make sure you're really careful, but I won't really give you a hard time. Yeah. Yep, so just pull it off, and that was the design. See, easy. And this is how it looks like. I think it's beautiful, simple and nice. If you want, you can stop here, but I decided to add glitter, so I marked all the ends with tape once again, but left the white part so I could use Podge and put that glitter. I put 2 layers of glitter and sealed it again with Podge. Yeah. And now that all the glitter was dry, I had to clean it up, remove all the tape, any extra glitter, and also the other thing that I did was to add backlights. That's the arrangement. Those small panels are cardboards just to level up with the batteries, and then I covered with another cardboard which was strong enough to hold onto the wall. And this is how it looks like. I think it looks so nice. Good, nice add to the room. Let me know your favorite. If you love this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell for more videos that I'll be uploading. Please keep safe. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.